468, swimming into the last match today. 5185 is trying to stack 3 last matches of the day. 5235, driving across the last match today. 68-4, driving around and hitting the last match today. We are trying to score the last match today. They got the last match today. Oh no! Oh, they dropped the last match of the day. 51-55, trying to get the last competition of the day. Can they do it? Can they get the last match today? 53 seconds left in the last match today. 56-12, trying to score the last match today. 56-12, still trying to score the last match today. Oh no, they broke the last match today. Everyone falls the last match today. 51-55, what are you doing? It's the last match today. He goes there. No! What are you doing? It's the last match today. 51-55.